Hindi pa sis. Mag-live ka na. Iuna yung live. Ga-walking man di ay kada. Ay. Thank you everyone guys for the love and support. Tumaas naman ng graphic noon sa akong analytic. One day you will beg for me to let go and I want. Ayaw ko mag-live araw-araw. Buti naman siguro yung analytic mo. Kay naka-check man siguro. Naka-arrow up yung akin. Nakadungo. Nakayuko. That's why I need to, nakayuko. Lahat nakayuko. Sige na lang, saan taman. Kung hindi lang siguro to nakayuko, hindi ko siguro to gawin ng ganito. Why you say that one, one day you will beg for me to let go and I want. Salamat everyone guys, 8 million. In 2 minutes guys, end na talaga ako. Salamat sa lahat. Busy now sis, cleaning. Huwag ka masyadong magpagod sis, maano yung katawan mo. Ako hindi na ako masyadong nag-ano. Minsan pa naman, sabi ni Raul Saplo, minsan si Ma'am Lorma magla-live, medyo may slide yung paa niya. Ingat ka sis lagi sa paglalakad sa hiking mo. Kasi alam mo naman, pag may edad na tayo, mahirap na. Ingat-ingat lagi. Kaya mahirap na. Kahit naka-silent live ka, mo lang, may tao ka naman. Miss ko na nga yung live mo. Yung live mo kaninang umaga, hindi ko napansin. Naglaba kasi ako, kaya ni-play ko na lang. Yung 6 hours ago sa pag-play ko. Okay guys, time is up. 8 million in the house. Thank you. Since I reached already 3 hours guys, so time to go now. Time to end my life. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying by till the end. I asked you to let go today and you didn't. Thanks for not letting go. Sige, okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you. Love you all guys. 9 million. Thank you so much. Bronze Kitchen Tips. Thank you. Time is up. Bronze Kitchen Tips. I will end my life. Thank you. Thank you. Love you all guys. Thank you all. Till next time. Hope you can attend you can attend my next live. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye. Kunin ko yung highlight.